Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix and verify a suspended Google business profile. Let's get started. For that, open up your browser, log into your Google business dashboard and check the suspension notice. This often happens if your address is illegible, your business name has extra keyword or your info does not match the official document. So, to fix that, you want to go ahead and simply update your profile with your real business name, correct category, and a valid physical address or service area. Now, next, you can go ahead and simply gather document like your business license, utility bill, or clear photos of your storefront or branded vehicle. After I've done that, open a new tab and then in the search bar, search for support.google.com and then you'll land in this kind of interface. This is the official Google reinstatement page. Scroll below, then tap on Submit Appeal. And then inside here, upload your proof and then submit it. Once it is approved, complete any final verification steps like postcard, phone, or video check, and that's it. Your profile will be back on Google Search and Maps. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.